Alu Selekta is our Australian-made aluminium cladding solution. With a large range of timber grain colours and solid colours available, Alu Selekta and Alu Castelation is a great choice for your next project, whether it's commercial, multi-residential or in a residential space. Our new powder-on-powder timber grain finish will give you a long-lasting, maintenance-free exterior cladding solution, and it's backed up by our industry-leading warranty. It's also non-combustible and has a C4 wind rating. This allows it to be used in bushfire and high wind areas in any commercial or residential project. Today we'll show you a horizontal and vertical installation of our Alu Selekta and Alu Castelation cladding products. Before you start, ensure you've battened out your frame at least 20 mil to allow an air gap behind the cladding, and ensure that you've also got breathable sarking on your frame. First step is to get your trims into place, starting with your internal corner, your external corner. Following this, you'll want your edge flashing and starter bars in position. Ensure above windows and doors you have a Z flashing installed to keep moisture out. Now our trims are in place, the cladding can now be installed, starting from the bottom and working our way up the wall. Being a tongue and groove cladding profile, all your fixings are hidden, giving a seamless finish. It's also very quick and easy to install. The boards are supplied in a 5.4 metre length. For areas of wall that are longer than 5.4 metres, you will need to use a two-piece connection join profile to give you a nice clean join. Around windows and doors, use our two-piece edge flashing. Ensure that your window sill is 18 mil past the edge of your battens. This will allow the cladding to have a flush finish. Another option is to finish your windowsill 20 mil past the edge of your battens. This will allow the Alu Selekta or the Alu Castelation cladding to slide in behind your windowsill and give you a seamless finish. To finish your internal or external corners, the Part B trim snaps over the top of the cladding to give you a seamless finish. The two-piece edge flashing for around your windows, doors and any end stops is the same system as the two-piece corners. We recommend that you double check that the boards are level every 5 boards or so for both horizontal and vertical installations. When cutting the aluminium cladding, we recommend using a drop saw and an aluminium blade. Alu Selekta is a great value-adding product for your next project. With a quick and easy install, it's saving you time and money on site. Any more questions or product information you may need, reach out to our team through our website.